I beg to appear for the petitioner, my lord.
Hmm.
Here, my lord, the respondent police barged into our law offices yesterday night and made an attempt to arrest the petitioner.
Hmm.
On being rebuffed, my lord,
Hmm.
a 41A notice was served at 10:45 at our office. My lord, I take my lordship to page 14 for a moment. Lordship with me, my lord.
Yes, yes.
Page 14, my lord.
Hmm.
Received at advocate's office, Bangalore at 10:45. At the bottom, my lord.
Page 14.
Yes, my lord. Annexure C.
Notice. The
Hmm.
same notice, my lord, below there.
One minute, sir. 1 minute.
Annexure C.
5325 at 10:45 p.m.
Yes, my lord.
All right.
At our offices.
Hmm.
My lord, with a direction for me to appear before their police station at 10:30 in Bellary the very next day. That is today, which is otherwise not possible. And also, my lord, they had not furnished us a copy with F.I.R. My lord, there is no reason for the respondent police to act in such militant haste, so as to, my lord, scuttle the sanctity of the attorney's office. My lord, I'll take my lordship to the facts of the case. The petitioner happens to be a YouTuber. He has uploaded, yes, my lord, he is a popular YouTuber. He has uploaded a program on Saujany's murder, which received wide circulation. My lord, the respondent police on their own, without a complaint, registers an F.I.R. arraying me under section 299 of BNS, which is offending religious sentiments. My lord, there is not a single word in the very program which essentially makes a comment, let amount a critical comment on any religion whatsoever.
ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳದ
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Same matter. No, my lord, the notice is issued to him from the Ballari police.
You arrested him?
No, just a notice to appear.
Seriously?
And he says, because
My lord, they made a valiant
1
effort.
minute, sir.
Oblige, my lord. Oblige.
Where is the copy of the FIR? Appended to the notice. Have you not seen the circular pursuant to my order? Yes, Jagdish, sir.
Yes, sir.
Circular is not issued. 3112 circular is issued. How is this man acting contrary to the circular?
I will secure the copy of the FIR. What are the details? Because
Not you securing the copy. Whenever a notice under 35.3 asking someone to appear, it should be clear. Copy of the FIR should be appended to it. It should be furnished only by registered post acknowledgement due. That is the only way. Not even by WhatsApp. Where is it done?
not done.
And then what is the mortal hurry? Because the YouTuber has projected somebody who is influential? What else can it be?
Not about that, my lord.
Then what, sir? 10 ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ FIR ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ completely contrary to the circular.
Posted derogatory and
Of whom, sir? Who has given the complaint?
victim.
Who has given the complaint?
That will ascertain.
Where is the complaint? On whose complaint is crime 51 of 2025 registered? Who has complained? Yes, petitioner.
My lord, it is on their own volition, my lord.
Suo moto.
Yes, sir.
Suo moto.
Submission, my lord. I'll have to verify, my lord. They moved this matter today at 2:30. If only the petition.
Question of his rights, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fundamental right.
My lord, he's not arrested. At best, my lord,
Is not arrested, Allah. If comply madilla, next step is arrest.
What can happen?
Your intention is to arrest, but you are creating a ground for arrest that he has not appeared. That's all. Bere yenilla.
Reasonable time may be granted for him to appear, my lord. In the meanwhile, I'll also.
I will not permit him to appear at all unless you bring in the notice in accordance with law.
Yes, sir.
You asked Jagdish,
Yes, sir.
what is the circular issued?
Yes, my lord.
If the,
It has said that not to honor this notice.
yes,
In your
not to honor the notice. I have said the notice he need not appear before you if it is not in compliance. Where is the question of arresting him?
Yes, my lord, in this case, he's not arrested.
Huh?
You have not arrested him, my lord.
You can't, sir. You can't even ask his appearance. Arrest is a far off thing.
I will check.
I have directed that the person to whom notice is issued need not honor the notice. If you don't know the law, have some coordination with the not ನೀವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತನಿಖಾಧಿಕಾರಿ.
I will.
I think he needs to be tutored with what is the latest law. and is in a mortal hurry, wielding his power without knowing the law. The petitioner is before this court calling in question a notice issued under 35(3) of the BNSS directing the petitioner to appear before the investigating officer. The notice is completely contrary to the circular dated 31/12/2024, which is issued by the state government in pursuance to the order passed by this court. Inasmuch as the notice that does not append to it a complete copy of the F.I.R. and the complaint so registered. Therefore, there is violation of the law. There shall be an interim order of stay as prayed for till the next date of hearing. List the matter on Wednesday in the fresh matters list.
Obliged. 30th, man, not 31st. 30th. Man.
30th December. Yes.
Obliged.
Obliged.